What go on YouTube, man? Like Pee Wee here. 2020. It's the year of the lone wolf. And the reason I say that is no better time to be a lone wolf than this year. Too many distractions out there. The news, social media, mobile phones. Too many toxic things. The list goes on. I could go on all day. So, no better time to focus on yourself and self-improve. Whether it's working out, whether it's doing overtime at your job, whether it's creating your own business online, you just gotta focus on yourself now. Don't worry about turning up, partying and all that. That's not going nowhere. And right now it's dead anyway. Social distancing, forget that. That's not what it's about. Yeah, it's fun or whatever. But it's only fun in the moment. It's not fun long term. Now's the time to build your future, build up them stacks, build up them racks, and actually make a legacy for yourself. Whether it's entertaining people on YouTube, whether it's changing people's life through health and fitness by becoming a personal trainer. Just do some reading and find out what's something you want to do with your life. Come on. That's the real man shit. Most people don't know because they ain't willing to go inside themselves enough. They're always worried about, what you doing, what you doing. They can't find their true self. And that's pathetic, man. Ain't no excuses. So, focus on yourself. Take some time out. Learn yourself. Learn your likes. Learn your dislikes. Learn what makes you feel like you're a valuable asset to society. For me, I'd say it's motivation. Because ain't nothing better than getting a good workout on, baby. Yeah, so peace out, man.